Hello, this is Dan Farisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator here at the HD-Base-T Alliance booth at InfoComm 2023, joined by John Wheeler of Barco. We wanted to talk to you, John, because Barco is, of course, a recognized leader in the commercial integration space, such a diversified portfolio, getting a lot of attention for your booth here at the show. So I'd just like to get some updates on your new products and what you're most excited about.
Oh, great. Thanks for having me, Dan. A pleasure to be here. Yeah, InfoComm this year's been fantastic. The booth traffic, the amount of people, the excitement we have in our booth with ClickShare, TruePix, Unicy, and our new product that we just came out with called Control. The launch happened at another convention earlier this year, and we brought it here so the whole industry can see it instead of just one vertical, and acceptance and excitement about it is through the roof.
Well, I certainly have been hearing a lot about Barco Control, so I want to get into some detail about that. Please explain kind of what it is, the key features, benefits, differentiators.
Yeah, so it's a KVM video wall solution. So we had a current portfolio that took care of that. It was TFN and OpSpace. Been around many, many years. We're talking 2012 to now, and it's still a great product. But we needed to come up with something that was more security focused, something that met today's network security demand and needs. So we designed Control, and it is both TFN and OpSpace, which is our video wall and our desk, in one solution. We built it on three key pillars of security: ease, usability, and reliability. So we built it with security in mind, zero trust architecture, and network integration.
So let's talk also about that idea of ease of use. When I talk to people today, they don't want a whole lot of black magic, so to speak. They don't want a wizard behind the curtain. They want it to be easy, approachable, simple, understandable.
Yep.
Talk about the benefits and the virtues of Control in that regard.
So the benefits of it and the ease of use, where it goes to or comes from, is the fact that within about 4 minutes, you can set up a whole video wall system with multiple encoders, multiple decoders, but you don't have to be an AV genius or a very detailed person to understand the inner workings of how it happens, because we just use an interface. It's a click, a type in a name, a click, and an accept. We do all the work for you. We make sure the encryption is there. We make sure that the inputs are set correctly, and then all of the layouts are just drag and drop all through a web GUI interface. So we try to pick things that are easy to get to. You don't need to know how to install software because, to be honest, we can't install software on our computers. So we've had to find a way to do it. Control meets those needs, and it's amazing.
And you talked about, the zero trust aspect, that how critical security is, and everyone knows that's the name of the game these days, especially in those kind of mission critical environments where people are going to trust in Barco to make sure that there are no vulnerabilities or as few vulnerabilities as is humanly possible.
Yeah.
You want to just underscore that one more time?
Absolutely. So the zero trust aspect is I don't trust you, you don't trust me. The only way we trust each other is with a key that we all know and love. So we apply that to our encoders, to our decoders, and to our management platform. So even if you were able to get into that network and see the packets, you have to physically be on site, take them, find a key, try to decipher it to even see the video. Government loves it, utilities love it. Our NOC and our SOC vertical is going to just be head over heels about it. And that's really what we're out here pushing. We can't just build product that is not secure. Security is the forefront. IT security is the top pillar, and we go down.
Well, you mentioned all those clients who love it, verticals who love it. I love it too. It's getting a lot of attention here at InfoComm. Thank you so much for taking some time to share this information with us, and I've really had an opportunity to check things out at the booth. Congratulations on such a successful InfoComm show.
Thanks, Dan. It was a pleasure to be here, and thanks for the time.
Thank you, John Wheeler from Barco. My name is Dan Farisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator, here at the HD-Base-T Alliance booth at InfoComm 2023, talking to industry thought leaders and top companies here at the show, people just like John at Barco. Wow.